consistency is key. It's the secret sauce to long-term success, especially on YouTube. But what does consistency really mean? And how can you apply it to grow your channel? Stick around, because today, we're sharing 10 actionable tips to help you stay consistent and achieve your YouTube goals. Tip number 1. Set a realistic upload schedule. Tip number 1. Set a realistic upload schedule. Consistency doesn't mean posting daily if it burns you out. Start with what you can handle, whether it's once a week or twice a month, and stick to it. Your audience will appreciate the predictability. Tip number 2. Plan ahead. Create a content calendar to map out your videos. This helps you stay organized and ensures you're never scrambling for ideas at the last minute. Tip number 3. Batch your content creation. Film multiple videos in one day, then edit and schedule them over time. This saves energy and keeps your workflow efficient. Tip number 4. Focus on quality, not just quantity. Consistency isn't just about posting often. It's about delivering value every time. Make sure your content is something you're proud of. Tip number 5. Engage with your audience regularly. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. When your audience feels connected, they'll keep coming back. Tip number 6. Track your progress. Use YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. This helps you refine your strategy and stay motivated by seeing your growth. Tip number 7. Stay inspired. Consistency can feel repetitive, so keep your creativity alive by consuming content outside your niche, trying new formats, or collaborating with others. Tip number 8. Don't overthink it. Perfectionism can kill consistency. Remember, done is better than perfect. Just hit that upload button. Tip number 9. Celebrate small wins. Every milestone, whether it's 100 subscribers or 1,000 views, is a step forward. Acknowledge your progress and keep going. And finally, tip number 10. Remember your why. Why did you start your channel? Keep that purpose in mind, especially on days when motivation is low. Consistency is a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, 10 tips to help you stay consistent and achieve long-term success on YouTube. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, again and again. Now, go out there and create something amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips to grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.